Okay, so in this demo, we're going to showcase the difference between BLACKBOX Deep Search and ChatGPT o1 Pro Mode. So we're going to ask it here, I want to build a search engine like Google, give me step-by-step plan. Alright, so here this is selected, here this is selected, the o1 Pro, and we're gonna send it. So the deep search is gonna take longer time than the regular search on BLACKBOX, but it's still pretty fast. As you can see here, the generation started, whereas on the o1 Pro mode that is at $200, it's still thinking. So here we're gonna start by, is a complex rewarding project, involves several key components, step by step, define purpose and scope, identify the goal. So here, do you want to build a general purpose or specialize for academic papers, product searches, etc.? Develop web crawler, design the index, implement search algorithm, build the user interface, optimize and scale. So here we're going through the details of each. So here we're going to purpose of the search engine, facilitate information retrieval, enhance user experience, well-designed search engine can improve, etc. And here we got the answer from the o1 Pro, which we're going to compare. So here the key components of a web crawler: seed URLs, HTTP requests, HTML parsing, basic workflow of a web crawler. Here we have the code in Python. Here it's explaining the code, consideration for the production ready crawler, and here it's continuing. As you can see, we're gonna go through here. First, we're gonna notice that there is no code. Here it's talking about the indexing. So here we're gonna go. So define the scope and niche, decide purpose, same thing. So do you want it general or academic publication, product search, which is the same thing. So here competitive analysis is comparing the market, technical feasibility. Now here is going through hardware and cloud infrastructure, decide whether you want on-premise or etc. Data storage, web crawling, indexing. As you can see here, we're talking about it. User interface, same thing. Iterative testing, scaling and monetization, continuous improvement. Whereas, as you can see, the answer with BLACKBOX deep search was first faster to start generating. You didn't have to wait this enormous amount of time. The second thing is, since it's a coding question, it gave you some code so that you can actually start seeing how basically it would work. Here, basically, one other exciting feature that we have is the ability to directly execute the code. It's gonna actually open for you a new VM. We're offering 4 CPU, 8 GB RAM, and 20 gig SSD. So you open it, and here, just to explain to you what's going to happen here, this is a web VS Code hosted on a very powerful machine. We're allowing the ability also to select which virtual machines you want. Here you have direct access to CyberCoder, which is the autonomous agent by BLACKBOX, and now what you can do is that you can continue working from this point on. So we're gonna go back